Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when external hard drive is not showing up on Mac. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So once you have inserted the hard drive, you want to go ahead on Finder settings. So click at the top Finder and then settings. Now this will open up and you want to be on general, and here you want to select hard disks. If you are inserting hard disk. If not, then just leave external disks, CDs, DVDs, iPods, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, I now see hard drives and external disks. So after that, this should be fixed. Another one would be to go to disk utility, and on disk utility, you will find your hard drives here. So you can choose, for example, I can choose my external drive, and you want to go ahead and click on mount, and after that it should pop up right there, and then mount in again, and then it should pop up. So that's what you can do here. Now another thing which could be an issue is your content privacy settings. So you want to go to your system settings and then scroll down until you see screen time. On screen time, you want to click a content and privacy, and then content and privacy, you want to turn this off. And also you want to go to general settings, go to software update, and if there's any updates available, you want to go ahead and download them. After that, you want to restart your PC, your MacBook, restart it, and that should fix the problem. Also make sure that the cable and the port are working good. If maybe you need to change the cable in order for your drive to connect. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.